How much does a pool liner replacement cost in 2026? This is the most common questions I receive at poolliner.ai. The price of a pool liner replacement is determined by several things, such as pool size, shape, current condition, age, and installer experience. Installer experience has the largest effect on price by far. So if you are only concerned with getting the lowest price and you are not very concerned about the quality of the liner install or the fit, you should look for a liner company with less experience. On the other hand, if the quality of the install and the longevity of the new liner is your main concern, then you would want to seek out more experienced installers. Pool liner replacements are not easy. It takes time for a person to get good at this high-level skill. The good news is that highly skilled liner crews usually only cost a few $100s more than low-skilled installers. At poolliner.ai, we only represent the most highly skilled liner installation crews in your area. It takes 3 minutes to receive your free quote. And because the quote is delivered via AI, there are no awkward sales pitches to endure. And we don't do spam. AI is the future, and the future is now. Visit poolliner.ai to experience the 3-minute custom quote for your pool liner replacement.